I am Ratish here. I am happy to share with you the experiences of launching InSync. We are the largest content creators and curators in Indian classical music based segment. But during the journey, we have realized that the Indian music lovers are spread across the world. And the another fact which we all know that the online platforms, the digital platforms, are the only way forward. We are now coming up with one more stream, the digital stream, which is called Musiki. Now, I would like to tell you why we call it a Musiki. Now, music is very well known terminology. Key is very important for any music in the world. So, we have thought of combining the musical key and the music. One of the first portals of Indian music, one of the first HD quality portal of Indian music is being launched, which is named as Musiki. While launching InSync, and me being a musician, will be able to share all our experiences and the content and understanding about the classical music and the other music genres with you all, whether it is Canada, it is America, it is Australia, or across the world. I am sure that the Indian music lovers across the world, they are all waiting for many concepts and thematic concerts to come to their places, to come to their hometown and perform their art. However, because of many constraints, it is not happening, and they are deprived of the entertainment values, the beyond entertainment experiences of many thematic concerts. Therefore, we have thought that since Indian audience is enjoying the content sitting in India, and why not to take the thematic concerts to the living room, to the drawing room, to the houses and the music rooms or the basements of international audiences. Therefore, we have thought and we are launching Musiki, whereby we will bring the high definition shoot concerts by the maestros and also by the promising musicians in all streams of music to your living room. In addition to that, there will be a lot of videos on demand which we have created over these years. There will be a lot of information related stuff like what is raga, what is flute. There will be a lot of stories about great maestros. There will be a lot of interesting stuff. We will be celebrating the birthdays of maestros. We will be celebrating the international tours of musicians who are traveling abroad. We will be informing you which musician is performing in India and when he is going abroad, when he is performing in the town next to yours, which you may not be aware. You can plan your tours, you can go and attend his concerts. So there will be a lot of things. So it is not just a digital portal. It is not one more portal which will showcase the music, but it is beyond that. I would appreciate and I would expect, and I am sure that Musiki will become part of your day-to-day life. Musiki will give you that experience which you have been waiting for all these years. Musiki will take your musical aspirations to a different height. Therefore, it's my appeal to you to preserve, promote and protect our own music, to promote our upcoming musicians, to encourage youngsters to take Indian classical music as one of the career options. Please support Musiki. Please subscribe to Musiki portal.